Welcome viewers to Software Demi, a software engineering academy. Today we'll discuss about activity percentage complete based on activity steps in Primavera P6 setting in project details, and it's a calculation of activities in Primavera P6. So here I will open my Primavera P6. First of all, I will go here in projects. In projects, you can see a lot of projects here. I will open this project, single story home project. So you can see a lot of tabs below. I have already explained you in project setting. So there are activities and resource assignment. So if you see, there is a top option, activity percent complete based on activity steps. So if I use this option by check mark here, so it will activate my percentage complete, activity percentage complete, or my performance percentage complete, that is based on physical. If I set that one into physical, so it will only rely on when I update my activity steps in my Primavera P6 project. So let's continue. I will show you how I will calculate this one. When I check box this one, you can see a dialog box is appeared on here that's written all of the edited physical percent complete value will be recalculated from the steps. Do you wish to continue? I will say yes. Now I will open that project that's already opened here. So what is physical percent complete? So first of all, I will go here in general and you can see a percent complete here assigned. So you will change that one duration to physical. So if you use physical, then you can get your performance percentage complete based on your activity steps. So first of all, I will do this one. Then I will go here and I will right click here, customize activity details, and I will add here steps here. So apply OK. When we add steps here, so these steps are added here. So what are steps? So if an activity having a lot of work, so you can add here its steps. Like in plinth beam, I will add here steps of plinth beam. First of all, plinth beam, steel fixing, formwork, concrete work. So if there are 3 steps, I have added 3 steps here. You can go here, right click here and customize this one steps, and you can add here its weightages, percent complete, and there are a lot of options. Also there are user defined field. If you want to add your user defined field, you can see my lecture on user defined field, so you can add from here. So you can change its weightages from here. For example, total there are 3 numbers and you can change its weightages. For example, steel work takes 2 times and form work takes 3 times. So you can see the steps percentages are completed here. So for example, this activity started, plinth beam started here. I say started, this activity started here. I will go here in the right click here in the columns, and here performance percentage complete, performance percentage complete here. So I will add here performance percentage complete, and then activity percent complete or physical percentage complete, that is based on that physical basis. I have already set this one. Apply OK. So you can see here 0% here, physical 0% here. When I go here in the steps, I say this activity is completed 40%. You can see when I add 40% here, this 13% and this 13% are equal. So if you go here in the duration percent, the duration, for example, I add here general and change into duration, and you can see performance percentage into 0, also duration is into 0. So that one is calculated based on physical. So if you apply this setting, it will apply to your project whole, and you have to update your activities by basis on steps. So if you complete this step completely from here, click this one and it will complete from here. In 33%, this weightages will be assigned to this one. So if you complete this one, form work of the beam same as it will complete your 83% from here. So that's what I am saying, that you are assigning steps to your activity. You can directly upgrade your activities from completing this one. So there are a lot of activity steps. For example, steel work here, so you can add here 4 steps like cutting, bending, fixing and placing, and inspection of the steel, so you can assign here. So also when you create any of the steps, and now you can select this one and create template, and you can create a template, for example, plinth beam walk. So here I have created template, add from template. So here which I have created the template plinth beam, you can assign plinth beam from here. So these weightages are already assigned. These weightages are calculated based on your manpower or your cost, which one your company prefers. So that's one is today's content. So I have explained you very well about activity percent complete based on activity steps. So the activity is completed on based on their activity steps, and the percentage of their physical is calculated based on their steps, and that's one reflected to their performance percentage complete. And the performance percentage complete, it's based on your earned value. So you can have concept about earned value management, so I will discuss you about later on. So thanks for watching Software Demi. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share, and remain tuned with us. We will discuss a lot more in Primavera P6.